Interested in seeing how I created this crochet wig? Well, girl, you better keep on watching. Of course, for any crochet wig, we're starting off with our crochet wig cap with combs, our Caribbean bundle hair. I used 1B and 2 to create a kind of gradient effect. Here's the cap, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, as you can see, smaller holes in the middle and larger holes on the side. And to crochet, we're starting off and we're crocheting like we normally would. Put it through one hole, loop that hair around, close it, pull it through that hole. And once you do that, make sure you open it up so you can fit the 2 strands of hair in. Pull that through. But what I'm doing differently to secure the hair is I'm twisting it and doing it twice. Now pull it through and secure it. I'm gonna go through once again. I'm gonna bring it up a little closer so you all can see exactly what I'm doing. Put that hair through one of the loops. Loop it on there, close your crochet, pull it back through. Now once you have that hair, you're gonna pull it through that loop, twist that loop, twist it, and then pull it back through again. That's going to be double knotting your hair so that it's secure. What you're gonna do with this hair is you want to space it out. It doesn't have to be on top of one another. It's really full, as you can see. I'm showing you what you're gonna see when you space it out. You're going to have on a black wig cap, so don't worry about it being too much space or the wind blowing. You're not gonna be able to see that. And you're gonna keep going to finish the head, and to close it up, instead of putting the hair through one of the loops, you're gonna put it through 2 loops. That's all. Do your double knotting, you're good to go. Okay, so this is closed up, just enough for me. Like I said, when you have a black wig cap on, you're not gonna see it. One thing that I really love about using caps like this, and of course, you all visit samsbeauty.com for this, is that it falls kind of like, can you all see that? It falls like in a way to where it's layered. So you don't really have to do much when it comes to like trying to layer. Let's go ahead and take it off because we're gonna put this on and get the cutting. Okay, so let's go in and start to frame our face. And all we're doing is bringing that up on the side. It's just helping, framing your face just really helps to let your face be seen, take down all that extra bulk that's there. I want to go in just a tad for the bottom. Just a tad, like just a little bit, because we have some stragglies on the bottom that we're just gonna kind of clean up. That's what I should say, clean up. Cleaning up the bottom just a little bit, but I kind of want to leave it bigger and longer and everything like that. Push it behind your ears if you want your ears seen, your earrings. And play with it and kind of cut and do what you need to do until it's where you want it to be. That's simply all you have to do. Okay, Femmes, here it is. Here she is, the finished product. A full bang, full crochet wig. The other wig was exactly like this, except for I didn't cut bangs. I pulled it to the side. That's the only thing I did differently. If there are certain questions and comments that you do have, leave them down below, or you can find me on Instagram. It's at @the_FemFocus. We can chat. I can help you if you're interested in something like this. You need a little extra help on creating this. There's really nothing to this because the crochet cap does everything for you. As far as these kind of like layers that you see, as far as, you know, everything, it's just a simple snip down here if you want to, and a snip around here. That's it. It's, Femmes, it's so simple. So simple. But I understand if it sounds and looks a little easier than it is. Contact me. I will definitely help you. Be sure to check out samsbeauty.com for all of your beauty supply store needs. And that's it. y'all, that is it. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. I hope you all like this one. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, and all of that. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.